In this video, we will learn how to sort a Python dictionary by its keys. First, let's open up IPython and let's create a quick string of the alphabet. And now let's use that string to create a dictionary. We will create it in reverse order. That way we can sort it by the keys a little bit later. Okay, so here's our dictionary. Let's go ahead and print that out. Now that we have our dictionary, let's sort it by the keys. We import collections in order to do this, and we will create a new dictionary X, which will be the sorted version of our dictionary. So do X equals collections.OrderedDict of sorted dictionary.items. It's as easy as that. Now let's compare. Here is X, which we type dict to convert it back to a normal dictionary, and here is our original dictionary. You can see that A is now at the front because it's sorted by the dictionary keys. So there you have it. That is how you can sort a Python dictionary by its keys. Please subscribe for more Python content.